Okay, I'm having some problems with my pool right now. My liner has apparently sprung a leak. You can see it bubbling right there. This is very discouraging today. So I am going to do my best to see about patching this. I'm going to use some flex tape that I have, and I'm going to see if that'll work. I have the Flex Seal family of products. So flex tape, kind of cut a little square piece, get in the pool, see if I can find the leak, and secure it with that, see if that'll work. We'll see. You can look down here. There's the bubbling spot right down there. So pretty sure that is definitely a leak. So I've got a mask and the flex tape, and I'm going to get down here underneath the water and see what I can determine, see what I can figure out down here, see if I can find this leak, try to use some of this flex tape, cut a little square, rectangle, or whatever I need to do, see if that'll work. All right, I definitely had a little leak. I could feel a little depression down there by my foot where the sand, where the water had washed away the base a little bit underneath here where my sand base is. So there's a little dip right here where my foot is, and right in the middle of that dip is a little small little tear. So what I did, I got my flex tape, made in the USA, by the way. Look at that, made in the USA. So I got my flex tape and I cut a little square piece, a little patch piece, and it seems to be holding. I went under several times and just pushed down with my fingers as best I could all around it to try to secure it. And then checking on the side of the pool over here, I don't see any bubbles anymore anywhere, so it looks like the leak has stopped. You can see through the murky water at the tip of my toe right there is the little square that I cut out. So flex tape is working for now. I'm outside my pool right now, and you can see where the leak was bubbling up right here in this area right here. Now the bubbling has stopped. You can see the little buildup of sand that accumulated right here. I believe that's from the base of the underneath the liner. So this sand has kind of spewed out from where the whole water was washing it out from underneath the base. But we've got the flex tape in there now, and it looks like the leak has stopped. You can see the water that has accumulated. So it's going to take a day or two for this to dry out. Definitely going to have to keep an eye on this and see how this patch is holding up. I've got plenty more flex tape if need be, and if we need to get the some other Flex Seal products, we can look at doing that also. But for now, we've got the leak stopped with this flex tape. Seems to be holding up right now. All right.